Hey YouTubers, this is Bart. My name is Mike. I'd like to welcome you to my backyard garden. Follow up with my last video on our spring plantings. I got some zinnias here. I believe in my last video I called them dahlias, and I apologize, they are zinnias. I've been cutting them off and making little bouquets for my wife for her desk at her home office. Got some yellow ones and some purple ones and pinkish ones and fuchsia, I guess. Mixed in with my jalapenos here. You can see all the jalapenos are all over the place in there. I use them to make my jalapeno red pepper jelly, as well as use them in different recipes. Some marigolds for color, and hopefully some keep the bugs away. Lots of carrots still. Brussels sprouts there. Corn's coming in quite short. I think I did something when I fertilized about a month ago. I used granular fertilization, and the granules got in between the leaves, and I think may have rotted out parts of the stalks, and they've stunted them somewhat. We'll see what happens. Some are going to silk, starting to go to silk. You can see be pollinating soon. Got more marigolds coming in. Pineapples I put in the dirt that used to be in the potted plants. More marigolds. Little green beans. I got to put up a trellis for these tomatoes that'll be they're starting to overtake the yard a bit there. Some more carrots with jalapenos, green beans. I'm letting my parsley go to flower because I've never seen it happen before. You can see it starts to resemble a little bit of a dill flower, or perhaps I believe it's called Queen Anne's lace. If I got that incorrect, just let me know in the comments below. More green beans. From this group of beans and this group of beans here, we've already had a nice meal with them. Red peppers, you're being attacked by something. I'm gonna let the red pepper plant go, and these little tomato plants which have sprouted up, I'm gonna put them next to that one on the trellis and let them trellis this summer. I'm gonna plant some okra here for the summer, and yeah, more jalapenos with carrots and the corn. That's what we've got today. Bart and I would both like to thank you for hanging out in our backyard garden. We hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.